it comes with instructions, okay, which are on the video.
No.
What?
तो instruction मुझसे. I'm impressed, Carl. But थोड़ा सा impressed I am बच्चों.
That's the nature of the material.
Size में भी लाया है. हाँ यहाँ है size.
One thing it is I. Go. Hey Reva, how are you doing?
I'm good. I'm very excited about what we're doing today.
Same here.
So are you ready for some magic, Carl? The magic in your life is already me, by the way. But apparently we're being more magical today. Okay, so we're gonna make some. Oh, we're gonna make some coasters. Well, that's so cool. I can use them for my shoots. Okay. Scan to learn. Okay. So it's called the DIY Jasmonite. The DIY Jasmonite Hexagon Coaster Kit. I'm super excited to make the coaster. So what I suggest is while and quickly looking at the video,
Lord.
आप ये खोल दो.
Some nice packaging.
Yeah, right? I love the packaging. I love the colors. I love how bright it is. Yeah. I love kits that pay attention to all these things.
But I'm not doing the work. I'm going to supervise. I'm the coaster boy.
But he said take the entire liquid and the entire powder into a cup.
I mean, I'm sure this has got some shelf life and, you know, it's not wait for eternity.
Damn you! Okay, so you're supposed to take all the powder,
I did that.
mix well, scrape from the side of the cup also, Carl.
Okay. You hold this platter, I'll make that mix.
Nice to do my mix. Carl, I'm sure you just took the better packet.
Yeah, I was just lucky.
Yeah, ये कुछ गड़बड़ है. I like the color of your white. It's better than my white.
You know, that's because I paid for the kit.
This is what you call art, Baba.
Wait, this is Art 26S.
Alright, so Carl, now we're going to put together the base powder.
Yes.
Okay, mine is the red.
Mine's green. You better shade the liquid one.
So,
I'm just hearing.
I agree to mix well.
But this is easier than ordering for a coaster on Amazon.
Is it?
Yeah.
So do you realize it's like the first time you and I are sitting and doing a DIY thing together? Hello.
Oh, you've got a running consistency.
See, things are working out for me.
Maybe I need to add so.
See, right? If I like knock it, please.
Yeah,
knock it down.
it should. Hit it on the table. It should be good with the mold. So good.
Okay, Chav, I'm getting us a drink. Don't touch my coaster card.
Done.
बहुत ज़्यादा बहुत कम. 3 pour. I'm free pouring. And I actually want to use it for that. We find Carl Char to our first DIY thingy together.
Yes.
Hello and welcome back to Blue Sky.
Yeah. Come on, Carl. Let me tell these people they're younger. They should know. The first time Carl and I went to see a movie together, I was so excited. I was like, okay, I was all of 16. That's how young I was when I met him. And I was like, okay, Carl, we're going for a movie together. And he's like, okay, meet me at Eros Theatre and whatever time and all of that. Nice to be at Sapphire College. So I remember hitchhiking to Eros. And I can see Carl walking in, followed by 2 of his friends. And I'm like, what's happening? He's like, I didn't want to go for a movie with you alone. We had 3 more people. Go for the movie.
So is that a fond memory?
I know, very funny. Because I'm like, yeah, like, Carl, that is you. So I was at this pub once, super drunk. And my waiter, his name is Sachin. So I would, every time I wanted to order for something or call him, I would go, Sachin! Oh God! And he's doing me. What's so embarrassed?
But the best part is next morning she says, I said that.
But I will love going and just getting lost and doing some crazy stuff. So the mama ने YesD buy कर दी. So YesD पे बैठा है Carl. This is Holi. Okay. And my father sent me to some dukan to buy some stuff, and I can hear the ESD. So, no, I know Kal is coming. But Kal is on the ESD with his legs in the air.
I'm totally gone. This is the first time I was introduced to something so yummy, and I didn't know it would give me a kick like it did. And how I was flying and I didn't even know what. And then I met her father after that. I'm talking to him. He's saying something serious and I'm laughing. I don't know why, but that laugh is not stopping. I'm just laughing, like, and she's looking at me. And there's a friend of mine, both of us bound together, like totally gone. Totally I'm out to this, on this bike riding. And yeah, my father-in-law, that time he was Joe's dad, but he's like, okay, so you all did this. We said, yeah, we did. And that guy's like laughing along with me, like he was all lost there. And then next day she said, I think after 2 days, it takes about 2 days to recover from that this thing. So after 2 days, y'all did this. I said, yeah, we did. Yeah, but that was the one time when
Sal lost the
once or twice.
like the most in control man in my life, like the most in control. I can give that to Gyan on this, okay? So I have studied what makes a good marriage.
So there's a saying. Of course, a man and woman should marry. Happiness, after all, isn't everything.
Correct. Right? So I will extend that. Okay. So most women will marry men and they will say, Acha, I'm marrying this guy because he makes me happy. I think my first realization is that no man makes you happy. You make yourself happy. So if you get up in the morning and you tell yourself that I am going to be happy today, nobody else controls my happiness, you are going to be in a happy marriage period. And it works for both parties.
Yeah. I think Kitster should have a kit for happiness.
DIY for happiness. Like this is the one thing. You be responsible now for your own happiness. What the fuck you need somebody else to make you happy for? तुम खुद को खुश करो ना. If you can make yourself happy, then anybody else can.
It's a state of mind. I agree.
Right? So that is number one. Number two, I think is, oh fuck, I can give full lecture, but 2 points I'll give. Okay. Second is, I think you have to be able to compromise. You have to be able to be okay with somebody else's quirks, craziness, no craziness, serious, whatever it's, right? You have to allow the other person to be the other person.
And in front of you is the living example of
Exactly. Opposite me. Correct. And if you can do these 2 things, you will have like a great marriage. Promise.
So much of give and take.
So much. I'm so happy that, this just comes in one kit and you're just able to you don't have to break your head to go out and get the stuff. It's right here and you can just put it together.
I like the activity. It keeps you going, and the best part is that you can see the result in a short span of time.
Isn't better at everything? Women in general, please, all the women around you, be better at everything. We are better than men.
You have some tissue, yeah? Well,
God, look. Eh.
nice.
Don't break, okay?
Guys,
Break.
and the winner is...
Art. Show now, quickly.
That's not a really filter. Oh, this looks so hot. Oh god, this is clearly the winner. I mean, I'm in love with this.
Go big. Otherwise, if you want.
I'd like to thank my mother, my father, me.
I don't have to get focus on this, but there's clarity in one and there is fogginess in the other. Please. I am putting acrylic sealer.
that's a good idea.
I'm impressed, Scott. Not as impressed as I am with myself. Thoda sa impressed now.
One thing at a time. this kit comes with instructions, okay, which are on the video. But
You got a instruction. Say you are clear.
enjoy it, really enjoy it.
I'm happy for you that partly you succeeded.
Fall in love with the art of DIY.